Okay, let's start moving you out there, okay? Woo! Whoop!
Alright, pull back on the stopper. Oh, all the way back. All the way back. I'll take this out. Good try.
Brian, I think you just won the Chill Dad Award.
Yeah, I just wanted to.
We're on the water.
All right, it's a little windy, but we're here with the new boat. What's the name of this boat? Jurassic Park. Mini boat? Oh, okay.
No, actually, Jurassic World.
Jurassic World. Okay, so I just got a little battery in there. How to sit in this. Stand right in the middle. Hold it and put your legs. There you go. Yeah, so try it out. Lift it up just a little bit. I'm holding it. I won't be going anywhere. There you go. That's how you stop. All right, so me and brother are gonna get in the other one so we can go up. We'll name it B.
Can't see nothing, huh?
Is that motor going? Okay, cool. No. Okay, so I'll take the old camera, and then maybe you could kind of guide them off, and then. Okay.
I did small wooden.
It's just so we can steer better.
Are we driving?
Yeah, we're driving.
Woo!
All right, turn this way. I'm going straight that way. Pull back on the stopper.
Whoop!
That's all right. Pull back on the stopper, okay? Oh, all the way back. All the way back. I'll take this out. Good try. How's it going? What are you doing right now?
Riding my boat for the first time.
Yeah.
I can see him.
You're gonna have to remember, if you're going too fast, you gotta pull back and stop it, okay? Make sure you turn. There you go. Not too fast.
Mini boat.
Okay. Start turning that way.
Stop, stop.
Turn that way. David.
No,
There you go. Good. Looking good.
Water.
Yeah, that boat fits you good. Okay, the wind is blowing me around here. Yeah. Alright, good job. Give it a little bit of juice.
The water, the boat.
Alright, this is getting hectic, so I'm going to have to turn you off. Let's see. Thumbs up.
Panda.
Yeah. Was that a fun ride, Tato?
Touch the water.
You want to touch the water?
Yeah.
Okay, but you got to go way over there so you don't fall in. You can go over by the rocks over there. Alright, Mr. Mini Boathead. How was it? It's pretty fast, huh?
2 thumbs up, wow.
We only gave it like 2 speeds and it was kicking right along. This is kind of a little speedboat. Wonder if I should try to drive it. No?
No.
You don't want me in your boat?
That's David's.
Okay, this fell out. Hold on.
Let's see the little guide hole.
This little Superman looking boat. A lot smaller. Okay. Seems to be a little bit faster than the other boat, so this is gonna be interesting. No leaks. A little too fast for kiddos. We're gonna have to throttle her down.
Might have hit 5.
Okay, we're gonna go full speed spinner. Ready?
Whoop.
Pretty good turning radius. It's hard to remember there's no steering without throttle. Anyways, this has been American Boathead. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and all that jazz. And check out our Facebook group, Mini Boats and More, for mini boats and more. It's the first time out in that little one, so it's
kind of scary.
a little scary, yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Nice little design.
Oh, thanks.
Just make them in your guys' garage type
Yeah,
thing?
yeah. Looks like my steering holes are a little close to the water line. It might take on water there.
That's pretty cool though. Yeah, it took
Yeah. Yeah, about 3 to 4 miles an hour. We GPS'd it, and it's kind of tops out at that, no matter how you make it.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
Yeah, thanks.
Is that
Let me take a selfie. Yeah, it seems to be like a little bit faster than this one. That's what freaked me out earlier when he was playing Battle Ram.
Oh, yeah.
I was just like, oh, this could go pear-shaped in a hurry. Is there any water in there? I feel like I have steering holes in the back and they're just like 2 inches above the water line.
Yeah.
So when we got in, I think we might have taken on a teeny bit.
Yeah, there is a touch in the back.
Yeah, there's also a bulkhead in there kind of keeping it to the back, so that's good. Yeah, even on a tight turn, it gets close. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully we don't see him getting a little lower and lower in the water. What'd you guys find? Pretty yucky. Make sure, no, don't do mean stuff to it. Just leave it alone. He gone. He's so adventurous. Good times. All right, well, that was a success. Thanks for the help.
Yeah.
We'll get them loaded back up if you don't mind.
Sure.
For all of us here at Lake Vernon, North Idaho, it's me, American Boathead. And
Hey.
American Boat.
I'm the Boathead.
I'm American Boathead. He's just filling it up with water.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, oh my gosh is right.
All right.